Hi friends! Are you ready for an exciting animal adventure? Animals and their babies! Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a dog and a puppy. The dog's baby is the puppy. Awesome! Puppy goes zoom, puppy goes bounce. Look at those puppies doing a silly dance. Yay! Wow! This is a cat. Can you guess what the cat's baby's name is? Yeah, you got it! It's a kitten. Aw, look at those teeny tiny kittens. Watch it roll, tumble, whoopsie. Meow, meow. Can you guess what animal this is? This is a cow. And the cow's baby is it's a calf. Cool. Baby calf goes wobble, wobble, wobble. Can you walk like a baby calf? Wiggle, wiggle. Sheep. A sheep is a mommy or a daddy. A lamb is the baby. Cool. Boing, boing. Little lamb jumping around. Who can jump like a lamb? You can. Awesome. Come on. Goat. And the baby goat is called a kid. Awesome. Baby goat goes boing on the rocks. Look at those crazy jumps. Boing, boing. This is a pig. And the baby pig is called a piglet. Awesome piglet. Oink, oink, tiny piggy. Now watch him roll in the mud. Can you make a piggy noise? Oink, 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 oink. This is a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit. Hop, hop, hop. Bunny goes boing, boing. Can you hop like a tiny rabbit? Bounce, bounce, boing, boing. Awesome! Wow, this is a frog! And the baby frog is called a tadpole. Wiggly little tadpoles. Go swim, swim. Can you wiggle like a tadpole? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is a monkey. And a baby monkey is called infant. An infant. Awesome. Silly monkey, baby go swing, swing. Look at those crazy jumps. Can you make a monkey face? This is a lion. Do you know what a baby lion is called? A baby lion is a cub. Roar, tiny lion. Look at that little fuzzy king of the jungle. Can you roar like a baby lion? Roar. Wow, isn't this so much fun? Thanks for watching.